Hey there, we have a pretty big yard, and at night it can get pretty dark in the back of the yard away from the house when we take the dog out. So having a good headlamp is always nice. The brand sent this over for me to test and try out, so my wife and I have been using it and it is really good. So let's go over all the great features that this has. First of all, this is a rechargeable headlamp, and what I really like about it is instead of me having to guess how much power it has, when you turn the lamp on, the back of it actually shows the percentage in numbers of how much battery life is left. Once charged, this light will run for 6 to 12 hours depending on how much light you're using as far as brightness and all of that. And speaking of brightness, 160,000 lumens of light, which means you're gonna get over 3,800 feet of light in front of you, depending on the brightness of the light. Now with this light being strapped onto your head, you've got the lamp portion here, and it is movable 90 degrees up and down. It's also telescopic, so it does go out a little bit more to get a little more focus wherever you need it. The back portion is where the battery is housed, as well as an additional safety light. So let's take a look at what these lights can do. The front of the light has 3 solid settings: high, medium, and low. You're also going to get a strobe, and the final one is going to send out an SOS signal, which can be helpful if you are out hiking or lost somewhere at night. The back of the light is great for biking and walking to show others that you are in front of them. On the back side, you are going to get a high, medium, and low continuous light. You can also do a red light, a blue light, or you can do a flashing light, which is going to give both that blue and red flashing. Another great feature of this light itself is it actually has a sensor on it. So while the front of the light is on, you want to long press your power button for 3 seconds. At that point, when you move in front of the light, it will turn off. And if you go by it again, it will turn back on. So this is a really neat feature with this as well that not all lights have. My wife and I both find this light to be comfortable, even though it looks like it could be a little bulky. It's comfortable because it's kind of curved here at the front, so it kind of sits on the forehead nicely. The back of it's comfortable. There's a little bit of padding here that fits nicely against your back of your head. The adjustment on the straps is good. We are finding that the battery does last a long time, and it doesn't take a long time to charge. If you are looking for a headlamp with multiple light settings to cover all the lighting that you may need, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.